Due to my oversight, I bought a ladder that was missing one of the foot caps. On top of that, it turned out that the original feet were very slippery. The strap that limits the ladder's breadth was under a lot of tension, which didn't inspire confidence. So I decided to redesign and 3D print all 4 feet from scratch. I removed all the caps and measured the leather legs. Using FreeCAD, I designed my own version of the foot cap using the wall thicknesses from the original cap as a reference. I chose what I thought were the best slicer settings and started printing the first test cap. It turned out that I had entered one dimension incorrectly, which caused the angle of the cap to be wrong. So, it didn't adhere evenly to the floor. I corrected the mistake and printed all 4 caps. I used TPU filament for the prints. Comparison of the incorrect and corrected versions. As a result, I solved 2 problems. The feet become less slippery and have a larger contact surface with the ground. And now there are 4 of them instead of 3.